taking a look at some of the channels that we follow here on YouTube, and if I refresh my page here, this list will just randomly show us some of the channels that we follow. And today we're looking at Usnerdoc. When you see that username, that's how it's pronounced. USN like the Navy, ER like emergency room, and doctor. Should be pretty easy to figure out. Usnerdoc's been around for quite a while now. I know that he's been a channel that we've followed. I can't even remember not following his channel. When we first started following him, he was doing woodworking mostly, and then a bit of Second Amendment stuff here and there. A long time ago, some of the old-time YouTubers will remember he got hooked up with some of the other big channels out there, got a bump in his viewership, and he has always handled success well. He's done interesting projects along the way, had his own company, and always been interested in the outdoors and doing things with style and with well thought out. And it's awesome to watch somebody who's not just getting along but thinking about it first and doing it well. So it's an awesome channel to watch. It's like he says on the main page there, it's vlogging. It's really a day in the life type of thing of a real interesting guy doing some interesting stuff. I guess I would be remiss if I didn't mention his ham radio interests as well, and just all kinds of things to check out. Not necessarily all gun related, but stuff gun people would be interested in. And it's the perfect kind of channel to introduce you to things you didn't know you might want to be interested in. And that's one of the best things about YouTube. So I have had a chance to meet Usnerdoc and his wife up at Chacho one year, but even without meeting him, you can tell he's the real deal. So not enough good things to say about Usnerdoc here on YouTube. Check them out. And I'm also going to add another piece here. We're going to go through and look at some of the channels that they follow, and that'll give you a little bit more insight into who we're talking about here. And you can see Back to Basics. I'm assuming that's some sort of a DIY channel, video creators. I guess I didn't mention that Usnerdoc has always been real interested in sharing his technical experience with creating the channel and dealing with the channel on the road, and for example filming his ham radio experiences and things like that. So instead of just seeing what you're doing, you're really getting that in-depth or kind of interactive participation with him. He's really been an inspiration for the new media campaigns that I've done, because he's really an example for someone who's willing to share and understands that we each accomplish more when we each stand on each other's shoulders and reach even further instead of just keeping everything to ourselves. So you can see that in some of the channels he watches here. Again, home economics, essential craftsmen, and some furniture and some carpentry stuff. So if you're interested in tools, I would definitely check him out. If you're interested in first aid, you can't get, I didn't even mention his first aid stuff. Of course, he's USN doctor. So he's always had some interesting first aid stuff. In fact, his company AMP3 was all about, or is all about first aid stuff. So check him out and stay tuned for more in the series. As always, thanks for watching.